Hello everyone, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z missing letter. A. A for apple. B. B for butterfly. C. C for candle. D. D for duck. E. E for earth. F. F for frog. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nose. O. O for onion. P. P for pencil. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Let's paint. Yellow color. A. A for apple. Brown color. B. B for ball. Red color. C. C for cat. Sky blue color. D. D for dog. Orange color. E. E for elephant. Yellow color. F. F for fish. Brown color. G. G for goat. Red color. H. H for hen. Sky blue color. I for ice cream. Orange color. J. J for juice. Yellow color. K. K for kite. Brown color. L. L for lion. Red color. M. M for monkey. Sky blue color. N. N for nest. Orange color. O. O for orange. Yellow color. P. P for panda. Brown color. Q. Q for queen. Red color. R. R for rabbit. Sky blue color. S. S for sunflower. Orange color. T. T for tiger. Yellow color. U. U for umbrella. Brown color. V. V for van. Red color. W. W for watermelon. Sky blue color. X. X for Xmas tree. Orange color. Y. Y for yak. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.